Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today I have two farming apps for you guys. The first one's called Givvy Coin Collect and the other one is Grow Your Forest. The good thing about these apps right here is that they're both on the same platform and I have verified the payment already, so it's great. Unfortunately though, these are farming apps, so the phone screen will be locked, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. For both of the apps, go down into the description. Use the link. You guys will get referral bonuses. I'm not clear on how much they will be, but you know, it's good. And when you do get the app and you refer other people, you get 20% of their lifetime earnings and 3 smackaroos. You get 3 pennies. A whole lot of money. But when you do join with somebody's referral, you do get a gift. I'm not sure what the gift has. I'm guessing around like 500 coins, but I don't know. Alright, so let's get this started. So we are on Givvy Coin Collect. So essentially what this app is, it's just, I'm not quite clear on how they get the money. I have no idea. But maybe it's just like a community thing. Maybe they just, they're trying to do something else with it. But look, there's a solo earning and there's a group earning. Group earnings will yield more rewards because you're just with people, and I don't know why. So when you start a room, it will give you a room code, and if other people join with that room, I guess you'll just earn more. But essentially, you just click solo room, start. You can press copy the code. If you want to share, just send it to your friends. Then it's going to give you this pop-up screen. This will boost your coin collection speeds or give you more. I don't fuck with it that much because when the ad plays, you have to install the app and open it. But sometimes the ads aren't even, like, it will give you a Credit Karma ad, but it won't send you to the Play Store. It'll send you to the browser, and if you download the app from there, it won't work. Alright, so once you go through the first ad, that's the only ad you'll see. Well, besides the one when you end. So this will just be your screen. You'll let this be till you reach the limit. The app will tell you, and it will turn off by itself. So right below where solo earnings is, you can see your current speed. That is basically you'll get 18 coins per hour. Sometimes it changes. Earlier this morning I was getting 19 coins per hour, and each coin is essentially a penny. So if you'd want to get a full dollar out of this, you'd have to have this open for 5 hours essentially. But see, now it just did jump out to 19. But essentially this is the whole gist of the app. Once you earn some coins, you just want to cancel your session or let it go till it reaches the limit. Then you'll get hit with the ad once you close the session fully. But if you if you don't have a phone farm, you're just trying this out to do it on your own farm, there is a pause button. So if you do want to go back into it, though I don't recommend phone farming on your own phone, because it's worth it to an extent, but not really. So now if you go to the profile tab, you'll see how much earnings you have. Right now I have 508,000 of the coins. And you're just gonna go click withdraw. See, now they have all these withdrawal things. I don't know what this first one is, where it says minimum 35 cents. I'm not gonna try it because I don't want to waste my money. But I did try the PayPal, and the minimum amount is $1.04. When you withdraw from PayPal, they will take away 5 pennies because it has to do something with taxes and their fees. But that's okay. So you end up yielding 99 pennies. So now that's that app. And now, once that app runs out and reaches the limit, you can go to Grow Your Forest. And Huh. Okay. That was weird. Alright, currently I have 20 pennies. Alright, so essentially what Grow Your Forest is, they they give you money, and by participating, you also help donate trees around the world. I'm not sure where, and me personally, I don't care. Okay, now there's two things to the Grow Your Forest app. There's other task offers, so this one is a bit more expandable. Though keep in mind, do never do this Givvy Money Tree AFK. It is the same app, and if you have both of the apps on, you'll get paid like twice as much. But if the if they detect that you're using both of the apps, they will ban you, which is unfortunate because they really shouldn't have another app to download. And then they also have their own. Alright, here's the donations tab I was telling you guys. And they essentially just, you can find out more. You can see they have a whole list of verified payments. So, you know, they're not bullshitting you. And then right here, they also have their referral plan. So, yeah, the person you referral will gain 2 pennies. And I guess you'll get 10% of their cash out. These referrals are a bit complicated. They're worded a bit weird, and the payout on this app is exactly the same. I'd say go with PayPal or go with Revolut. Those are the only ones I trust. I'm not sure about any of the other ones, but this is the same gist. Right now I have a level 1 tree, so you just want to click on the play button right here. It's going to ask you the same thing. Do you want bigger rewards? You click the ads and install 2 apps and open them. I don't do that because sometimes it will show you ads, sometimes it will not. But the cool thing about this one is this lasts for 5 hours. Every tree needs 5 hours to grow entirely. And it should have 5 levels. I'm not sure what, I think I'm wrong on that, but the trees have levels. And essentially, whenever you get to a level, so you just let this run, right? And then whenever you get to a level, you can cancel the plant, and it will yield you these green points. So if I cancel this plant right now, I will yield 300 points because I'm just on level 1. And those are my charity points. So then I just go back on here, and then these charity points allow you to choose higher level trees. And there's a special orchard tree which you can get only by referring friends. So then, see, this cactus tree takes 3 hours to grow. Oh, look, see, I just got hit with an ad by starting it again. So once you officially start a new tree, that's where you get hit with the ad. But if you're just pausing a tree, you will not get hit with an ad. And the same as yCoin, if you invite people, you can invite them to the room, and you can earn even more points. What is my phone doing? Okay. Alright, we're back. So we just hit with buy tree. Sometimes the ads they're a bit slow, but it's manageable. It's not a biggie. Though I would like to know why they pay you. I'm guessing it's just out of the ads. That's the only thing I see. Okay, so you buy your tree, it's gonna hit you with the ad, you load, and then it's gonna pop up the same thing as earlier. Though if you are gonna start a group session with somebody, you do have to plant a new tree. but because you can't go from solo planting a tree to inviting somebody. So if you are going to invite somebody, keep that in mind, that they do have to join at the beginning. And then right here, you can just pause it. It'll hit you with the ad, and then you can go back doing whatever. But anyway, guys, that's it for today. So if you guys have a phone farm, if you guys just looking out to try it, maybe you don't use your phone that much, I say it's worth it. They're good apps. The payouts are good, and don't forget to use the referral links down below so you guys can get a little bit more earnings. And I'll see you guys in the next one.